Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by examining the necklace clasp under good light and a magnifier. Check for obvious damage like broken springs, bent bars, or missing jump rings. Gently open the clasp 2 to 3 times and observe the motion for sticking or slippage. If you can access the spring bar, measure the diameter and note if it is about 1.5 millimeters. Also measure how far the clasp opens. If it opens less than 3.5 millimeters, the spring may be weak or misaligned. Use small flat pliers and a padded cloth to gently close loose jaw ends. Replace missing jump rings with a new 3 millimeter soldered loop or a quick close ring. If the spring is weak, use a replacement spring bar that matches the original 1.5 millimeters diameter. For bent bars, straighten slowly with smooth pliers, bending less than 10 degrees at a time to avoid metal fatigue. Test the clasp repeatedly, opening and closing it 20 times. If solder joints are cracked, use low-heat, jeweler-grade solder and flux to repair them safely. Clamp small parts securely in a third-hand tool while applying heat to avoid movement. After soldering, file rough edges with fine files and polish the clasp with a soft cloth and mild metal polish. Reattach any replaced jump rings and test the necklace 20 to 30 times for reliability. To prevent future problems, limit exposure to water, chlorine, and cosmetics, and inspect the clasp every 3 months for wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.